Hi, people. We are interviewing someone that. Oh, wait. Jimmy, what are you doing? Oh, crap, grenade. Jimmy's not.
Bigfoot.
Well, team. I wonder who we're interviewing today. Some strange guy. TV remote. I'm asking a question. Well, this is really getting boring. We have to wait till some guy gets here. Hey, Jimmy, was that you again? I'll be right back, people. Actually, is Jesse eating? Yeah, he's eating. I look awesome. We're waiting for some guy.
I'm here.
Oh, he's here. Why do you look like a puppet?
Don't call me a puppet.
I hate puppets. I'm scared of them.
Puppet.
Actually,
That's my shorts.
I'm not scared of puppets. But
Don't call me a puppet.
can I borrow your hat?
A puppet is just a rejected muppet, so don't call me a puppet.
This guy's hilarious.
I'm not a puppet. Oh, I'm crying. Get off of me. You're gonna eat my Oh my goodness gracious.
Okay, now I'm asking you some questions. What's your name? Is it Jimmy?
What?
What's your name?
Rex?
So, you're all from Victorious?
No, I'm Ted.
You're Ted Rex?
That's my middle name. And my last name's Albert.
Albert the Cool.
And your name is...
What?
Your name is...
What? What name?
Okay, what name?
Okay, people. He's gonna say stuff about him. Say stuff about you.
It's not a pleasure to meet you. I meet people better than you.
Well, you know, I meet people better than you.
They
let me borrow their hat.
You're a puppet.
I'm not a puppet. Am I a puppet?
Your name is Ted, the Bacon Boy.
I like bacon. I don't like ow! You're in first. Alright, Matt. Talk about yourself in the camera.
I like puppets. They're fun. They're really fun. My hat! I stole my hat. My chef hat is ugly. Just like that guy is over there. Give me my gun!
Can I have one?
No, give me it!
Please.
No,
Please.
Give me again. I'm a puppet. That's what puppets are supposed to do. You idiot. You don't know how to play chess either. I'm the poorest kid in school. You can have one. Take a lemonade.
Fine.
Want them now? No, just keep them. Keep them. If you the lights.
Those things are already.
I already spit in the bag. What do you want? Stop it!
You're a dog,
Sure.
right?
You're a dog.
Hmm?
You're a
Hmm?
dog.
No, I'm not.
I'm a person.
Am I a dog?
I'm a person. I need to feed you some kibble.
I'm asking you a question. How long have we been recording?
Is that important? Later today, we're going to interview someone better than him. Quentin.
Actually, it's my show.
No, it's not. We're interviewing Quentin.
It's my show.
It's not yours.
Mia and Jesse's show.
Come on. Quentin. Oh,
Even though Jesse's hardly here. I'm trying to eat peacefully. This guy's.
you're a reject.
Ray, where's your red hat?
It's stolen.
Go cook me some food.
You cook
And if it's good, I'll give you an A. Do it. If it's candy, I'll get an A.
Here's
A
a
plus.
fried hat.
F. Go make me something good.
Oh, no, you didn't. We got some paranormal activity now, do we?
Join in to the next episode.
Oh, I read some of Brandon's secrets online. He said he's scared of ghosts.
I don't like doing ghost hunting.
Yeah, he used to do it all the time, but he's scared.
I did.
He thinks you're going to get cursed. You can't hurt me. I'm invincible. Pet. And Brandon uses the chicken for an organ.
I hate ghost hunting. I just don't like it. It's not my thing anymore.
Oh yeah, but you believe.
You're only 2 years old. You have no room to talk.
Oh yeah, well you believe in a fat hairy guy.
What fat hair guy?
Stupid. Stop.
This guy hates.
No touching.
If you're a true chef, to go bake me something,
I don't feel like it.
then you're not a true chef.
You believe in the.
You don't deserve to wear this hat.
Well, at least I don't hunt for hairy people and dogs with warts on their butt.
Actually, you just said your stuff out loud. You shouldn't have said your private.
Yeah, you're a dog who eats warts off his butt.
Ow!
I've seen some of these interview shows.
He scratched me. Am I bleeding?
The worst one yet was when you dressed as Darth Vader.
I know.
It was the stupidest episode ever.
I'm gonna kill you after the show.
I'm gonna smash you in my oven.
You're not even a true cook. You refuse to bake me something. I'll go get some gold.
Yeah, you're gonna get out your piggy bank. Oh wow, it's plastic coins. Oh jeez.
Oh, wanna bet?
Yeah, I'll bet. I'll bet all my money. Oops. It's not even real. Stop dropping garbage. Only humans have this.
You are a human, remember?
Well, you're a dog. Only dogs make messes.
Here, I'll give you these plastic coins if you go bake me something.
No.
Your father said yes.
No.
Your father's name's Bob. Zilla.
Your father's name is Frog.
Yeah, no, it's not. Actually, you don't even know my father. People, you want these coins or not? Ow!
They're fake.
You're fake then.
You fart.
Eat it.
Robert.
Eat it.